What's up everyone, welcome back to another development video. Today we are back with the new generation BMW 1 Series. This is a 120i with the B38 engine, so this is the 3-cylinder in for the development of a new catback exhaust. So we have already 3D scanned the car. We are going to produce a catback and an axleback exhaust for this car, specifically for the 120i and the 118i with the B38 engine. This is a car that comes from Story Nijmegen, so that's a BMW dealership in the east of the Netherlands. They are helping us with the development of this exhaust. To walk you through the specifications of this car does not have a valve from standard, so what you see is what you get on these cars. For us it's important that we of course supply into the option to open and close the valves, because we believe that when you install an exhaust you also need to have the option to having a car that is silent enough to drive around in your neighborhood. So what we're going to try, we remove the center muffler for a resonator, and of course we are also installing an axleback exhaust with a quad tip conversion. So that means that this car will get the quad tip conversion to look like a M1435i. Of course that's up to your taste. We can also go for the square tips or two round tips if you like. But what we have done on this car is install the M135 exhaust diffuser. So you have the space for quad tips with the conversion from the original diffuser to this diffuser. It's an original BMW part, so keep that in mind. And of course on top of that we have the catback exhaust coming soon. So there we go, on the back of the car, as you can see, we have already installed the diffuser. We have 3D scanned the car from underneath, which means we have all the 3D data that we require to install these cars, to install these exhausts. So what we've done is take off the original exhaust, scan the full bodywork, then install the original exhaust back again, and then scan the underside of the car again. With that data, we are of course able to design a exhaust and the production jig. The prototypes are now on the way, and once we are installing it, of course we will see how the car sounds as well. So we're going to showcase you how the car sounds stock. This is a fully stock engine. Car is of course already warm. Yeah, let's see what you think of it.